Hey guys, welcome back to layout number 4 for the Build a Page series. And I'm also combining it this round with a Follow a Sketch series from Scrapping Reflections. So it's a bit of a twofer, but I do so love a sketch. So we'll get into that in a second. Now this is the Jen Hadfield kit I had put together. These 3 full sheets, really pretty scrap, and I thought these would be great cut apart saw. So the sketch we have is this one right here. So we have a photo, a swirly dealio, and a big cluster down here. Now it's calling for lots of photos. I'm going to just have one. Let me show you that. It is this photo right here. This is from 2018. This is my oldest daughter and a bunch of her gal pals that they were all in a sorority together. And I thought it was so stinking cute. It came up on my, you know how the Apple phones have, they show you different photos from different things. So super cute. Wanted to scrap that. Let's see, what else do I have? I have these Jen Hadfield from My Bright Life stickers. They are foil foam letter stickers with a white core. So I'm thinking My Tribe. I mean, there's a lot of words that are perfect for this, but I don't know. I like that idea. We'll see. I have these gorgeous die cut shapes. They're actually I don't know, almost chipboard die cut shapes, and they are pretty, pretty, pretty. Hopefully I can use some of them. I've got these vintage Freckle Fawn vellum phrase stickers that I clearly have not touched. See if I can get any of those in. I've got a whole set of goldenrod. Oh no, looks like I used little tiny hearts once. Puffies, and they are beautiful. They're a 2018 line. I mean, guys, I don't have words. Anytime I change out my Invisalign trays, I cannot get the words out. Anywho, I miss One Canoe 2 so much for scrapbooking. And then finally, I've got this vintage book from Dear Lizzie. And I don't know if I can get any of the pieces used or not, but I think it would be fun to try. I don't know. That's cute. So these are my pieces. What I have to do, what I think I'm going to do, this, like I said, I want to use that for cut aparts, and I have an idea for that. My idea for these as die cuts is to kind of create a swirly bit, kind of like this with these die cuts. So we're going to see how that goes. And I picked out the kits and the papers and all that stuff, and then I went and printed the sketches. So I've just been making them work, and I'm having a ball with it. Okay, I am going to trim this piece right here to, I am going to trim this piece right here, this gingham, to 11.5 by 11.5. I will gut this piece right here and use it to mat my layout and my photo. I'll also be able to mat my photo with this. And I might end up having to use a bunch of the rainbows to help do that swirly thing. And then I will be filling in the rest with the goodies that we have. So let's get this piece right here cut, because we know what size we want that. So let's see, 11.5 by 11.5. And we are in the middle of this big old snowstorm right now here. So I have my window open because it's so, not my window open, my blinds open, because it's so pretty. I just don't know if it's making my filming dark or not. Let me go ahead and gut this piece. And I'm wondering, I don't know, let me look really quick. Should I do a mat and a mat and a mat? Yes, I should. Okay, so I'm going to do a triple piece. So it's going to take me a minute to do a little bit of cutting. I'm going to do that, not a big deal. I'm going to detail cut out all kinds of those pieces from our little sheet with the squares that are so cute. And I'll be back in a minute. Quick check-in time. I wanted to show you basically the vibe of how this has come together. I cut out all those little pieces like we talked about. I still have to scuff them up a bit. This cluster that you see right here in the sketch, I'm going to do something down here-ish with all of that. Now I still have to map my photo, you know, however many times. And remember, I still have all of these fun goodies to work in as well. But I thought if I see how this has this like swirly doolio right here, I thought I would just do kind of the same thing, have it kind of start up, go down, and go back up. So that's how it is going. I also want to make sure to decide on my title, and in our inspiration sketch we have a title right here, so I will put that right about here. All right, that's what I have going on. I'm going to keep working with this. So I have all of these pieces are attached down. I have my title, and these stickers also had a couple of these cute little hearts included, so I used them. I went ahead and looked through this little Dear Lizzie booklet, and I really just don't need more die cuts because I have tons of them that we came up with. So now I thought I'd see if there is a spot for these. I've got that great aqua there in here, so I can bring some in. Let's see, Smile About This is cute. Ooh, I like Hello Lovely. I mean, look at how cute they are in their vellum. So maybe, hopefully they're like sticky stickers. A lot of times stickers are not sticky. It's a very odd thing. Let's see. Here is Be Kind. Maybe stick that right under here, which I like. Let's find one more so I feel good that I brought them in. Let's see. A fun day. Let's do a fun day for this one. I have one there. I have one there. Wish. Well, I could put it right here on the sticker. That would be cute. How about right there? Now, I thought I'd have all kinds of spots to use these die cuts. And once again, I had so many die cuts going, I don't know if I need any of them. So let's see, unless I do like a little cluster up here, I do have a couple of pieces that I had cut out from these things, which I should concentrate on. I could look at, because I have one here and one here, I could look at creating a cluster with just 3 cute little things up top. I might think of maybe Smile with these cute little guys, like so. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna do that so there's something. I'm gonna put these aside for now, even though I think they're so cute, and finish off with some of these. So I'll come back when we pop a few of these on, and maybe I'll get out a little bit of my Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Mist, and I will show you still shots. What should we do? All right, we'll pop these on, do some splatty bits together in a minute. So I started popping some of these goldenrod puffy stickers. I've got these floral bits, which just are the perfect color match. This cute little pineapple. I'm seeing if there's anything else I can get on here. I like these little hearts that are in here. I'm thinking, let's see, there's a couple of black ones, and there's that, and an aqua one. So I don't know, I want one up here. It just looks kind of funny on the little face. Oh, here's the aqua one. And let's see, maybe an aqua one. And I do like this little plant right here too. The plants have nothing to do with this layout, but the embellishments have some floral pieces. So let's see, is there anywhere else? Oh, I can get it right there. So then it looks like we have lots of cute elements on there. So I have that. So what I think I'll do is hit it with some Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Mist. Let me shake it up off the camera so you don't get sick from looking at that. We'll put this over my photos that we did not use. I meant to use those. And I think I'm going to grab some enamel dots too and just stick a few on it. I should be doing that first, but alas, this is how things are going. going to get the splatty bits on, some around the title, and then some up top. And then I'm going to get just a couple of enamel dots on, and I will have still shots in a moment. I need to get right here. Splatty bits went a little bit onto that puffy sticker, and I didn't think it would dry properly. So I'm going to just pop a couple of enamel dots on. Like I said, we'll do some still shots. And that will be that. I will be back tomorrow with my last layout for the series, and I will have links as well to Scrapping Reflections on Facebook, as well as Moira's and Kristen's layouts or channels for this series. Okay, I'll be back in a second with still shots.